I am very focused. I'm trying to find something to trade.
Yeah, you, you
Honestly,
you
I'm
sound
taking a look
focused.
around.
What
I'm
were you looking
looking to
for?
see. Well, I don't know. I'm just trying to find the only thing. I keep coming back to Tesla because it's the only thing that's actually got some directional movement combined with some volume. So I really do like it. I mean, Nvidia is so weird. Like I don't. I can't remember the last time I've seen Nvidia be so flat. It's really very flat. So, in any event, so that's confusing me a little bit. But other than that, V is asking about RGTI. I haven't looked at it. Let's call it up here, see what it's doing. I see it's dropping right now. Obviously, it had a
Oh.
few good days over the course of the last month. Right, December's been good to it.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I mean, it's got volume. I'll give you that. I don't
Looks
know.
aggressive this drop here. Is ain't anything breaking out. It looks
I don't
pretty
know.
intense right now. It's only down 3.5, but it just seems like it's got some momentum towards the downside. Let's see if it
Our
can
good
continue.
buddy Rigetti Spaghetti, as we like to call it. No, like I don't really see any news on it. They
Mm-hmm.
had some news before Christmas that we had talked about, but even that news wasn't really much. It was this was moving through the end of last week, beginning of this week, caught our attention. We put it on our list. I don't know. I haven't traded it, so I don't know how it trades. Is it? Maybe you guys can tell me. Me in the room, I know a few people have traded it. I know Jared traded it pre-market before the market had opened one day,
Yeah.
but I don't actually know how it trades during the market hours. Is it smooth or is it choppy? I'm not sure, but
Yeah,
could be
I
a
have
target.
not.
It's pretty good. Jared says
Yeah,
it's
looks
pretty good. Okay,
active. Looks active right now.
yeah,
On a Tuesday, it was very active too. Look at the drop here in the recovery all the way to 12, 38. So it had a good day on Tuesday. But yeah, it looks like it can be decent. And then it can do this sometimes. Like this is Monday. Monday doesn't look great. Every candle overlapping the previous one. This you can tell was not a good day. But yeah, interesting here.
all
Seven
right.
million shares traded. So volume is there for sure. As it makes a new low and trying to hold here. Uh, let's see where it goes. All right, friends, we are all set. Hit that thumbs up over on YouTube. Just waiting for Brian and Andrew to hop on in. Then we'll switch over to them. I see Brian is on deck. Good morning, Brian.
Hey, good morning.
How you doing, my friend? How's Boxing Day treating you?
Boxing Day. Well, it's the West Coast, so it's still pretty early here.
Oh, that's
Uh,
true. Yeah.
say so far, uh, I'd say it's a neutral situation.
Good, good.
So yeah. Anyway, it's probably going to be a low volume day, because a lot of people are taking this week off. So, but that doesn't mean there won't be some good trading opportunities, as Peter said. So we'll be watching for something. It looks like Tesla's selling off here, and I'm short a little bit here right now after
Hey,
it
Brian, when
kind
you
of
get a
topped out
chance,
there.
if you can share your book map, your screen on the chat room, so I can share
Yeah,
it.
for sure.
Yep. Thanks, man.
We'll get there.
Peter, you look focused. Did you take something short, long?
He is, yeah, he is looking focused.
Oh, you're on mute, I think.
Just again, still trying to figure out what I want to trade, if anything. I really do actually want to get into some trades, but I don't. I don't know. I don't know if it's
There's a
worth the
lot
risk
of
today.
there is a lot of red on the screen right now. Obviously, all the indexes are currently in the red. So I got a feeling Tesla may sell off at the open a bit. We're sort of flirting with yesterday's Tuesdays. I'm going to keep saying yesterday, but they're flirting with Tuesday's high of day right now, and also near where it went out, where it closed the day. AMD is looking kind of interesting. It's looking a little bit weak here.
Whatever
So
happened with that American Airlines outage where they grounded all the planes. I assume they bounced back without any problem.
It
Yeah,
was
they
very
just bounced back when
short-lived.
I.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. I looked at
Did you
it
guys see
after sort of.
that video of that airplane that crashed? Like everybody was recording it. Like some people were half alive. Did you guys see that on Twitter?
No.
Was that the Russian plane, the one that was going to
Yeah,
Russia?
yeah, it's wild, man.
Yeah,
So,
Oh.
well,
that'll
I'll
teach
let you
them.
guys I'll let you guys get to it. I'll hop off for now. Again, have a safe trading day. I'll be over in the chat. And then Peter, if Andrew comes on, I'll switch you off.
All right. Thanks.
He's gonna cancel you.
He's going to cancel me. That's okay.
If
I'm
I
happy to
if I
be
don't
canceled
if I don't come
in that
back,
circumstance.
yeah, you know what happened.
Yeah. Here we go. So Tesla's coming back up a bit. Hmm.
Did not make the trip this year. He was here last year, so missed him. But we did talk to him twice, in fact, on the day. So
Okay, and
that was
that's
good.
you get the
But
you got the FaceTime now. You can bring in the video, so it almost feels like they're
exactly.
there. Yeah.
Yeah. As close as you can get, anyway. So that was all good.
Oh,
But yeah, the girls
yeah.
were here,
Tesla's
and we had
catch.
lots of fun.
Yeah.
We have all
Good.
sorts of traditions on Christmas Day, from the way we open the gifts to the how we make breakfast. We have our alcohol with breakfast on Christmas Day. Ever since the kids got older, it's mimosas. Well, we make mimosas, so you got to have your
Oh,
orange
okay.
juice and your champagne for breakfast Christmas
Of
morning.
course.
Let's do it every year. Anyway, lots of fun.
All right. Lots of fun. Good deal. That's what Christmas is all about. Anyway, some interesting stuff going on. I suspect the market is kind of reacting here to interest rates. Been talking about this for a little bit. Yeah, the looks like yields are up again because TLT, which is the price of the bonds, is down again today by about 0.83%. 10-year yield should be is well over 4.6 now, which a lot of people feel that 4.5 is kind of the magic number for the for certain asset classes to become more interesting than others, and with interest rates going up, obviously making making treasuries more and more attractive, obviously as they go higher. So, and it's not great for some of the some of the higher interest rate bearing stock or investment assets like utilities. So yeah, it's interesting how it's really started to, the interest rates are on the longer term assets have really started to turn higher here. Sort of the bond market telling you that the concerned about inflation in 2025 and on. It certainly hasn't been tamed by the Fed. The Fed's interest rates policies. Their inflation still pretty persistent. Yeah, 10-year up about another 0.05% this morning, so 4.64, well over that 5%.
As I had a manager who once used to say all the time, when the only tool you have is a hammer, every solution looks like a nail. And the Fed really only has one tool, right? They can adjust
Well, that's
the current
right.
interest rate. That's really all they got. So, and as you said, it sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So,
Well, there's lots of other things that affect inflation, like government policy, obviously, and that's they don't have any control over
sure,
how the
yeah,
government
public's
decides to spend their money and where
exactly,
they
and
want to put it.
public
So,
spending, debt rates, what other
yeah,
governments
exactly.
do, the value of your currency, all that stuff has a big impact. And the Fed, they can watch it, they observe it, that they're smart people.
Yeah,
They
and
get it, but
all
yeah,
they can do is react to it, really.
yep, they just have a hammer.
Hmm. So, anyway, yeah, we saw the numbers last week or week before, losing track of time here, but still, inflation still above the Fed's preferred 2% level. So, um, yeah, anyway, like I said, a fair amount of red on the screen this morning. We do have gold and silver miners up a bit. AVGO is still in the green. Got Tesla obviously strong. PLTR still green.
I'm going to be
SMCI.
keeping an eye on Nvidia and Tesla right at the open, just because I don't love anything else. GameStop is interesting, but more fun than actually tradable, in my opinion. And then you guys mentioned this RGTI, which I'm not sure about. I'm very skeptical about it. So
We've got MGIH, which is popping up here today.
oh, here we go.
Okay, here we go.
Opening
Ding,
bell.
ding, ding. We're just, I'm still holding on to a little bit of short on Tesla here. Let's see where it goes.
Some upside orders on the ask. It is dropping though. Let's see if we can get back to previous day close.
Yeah.
462.28 is that number.
Here we go.
There we go. Hitting that now.
Yeah. I'm just covering that position because this is yesterday's close PDC. It's probably going to bounce from here. That's what I'm guessing.
Nvidia's moving up off the open.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Crap. Nvidia went popped right to PDC, SMCI, taking a hit there. Let's see now. See where Tesla's going to go here. There's more orders to the upside on Tesla.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't seem to care. Those orders are being pulled though.
No.
As, it's moving down.
Yeah, they are. They're thinning out. So let's keep an eye on that one. I got a feeling it's going to get bought at some point. We're going to go down and fill this order at 460.
GME is moving up here.
Jared's probably all in on that one. I covered my Tesla short too early, obviously.
Seems to be a habit with you, Brian.
Yeah, I always do that. I always seem to get out too early. There you go. Okay, so here's Tesla's the bounce here. See where it goes. Oh, so probably maybe got some more downside here. Oh, maybe
Nvidia's,
heading to
pulling
455.
back.
Yeah, Nvidia had that pop and drop. SMC or AMD, same thing. Hell. Dang, Tesla still selling a bit here. There's a level at 456. Maybe it might bounce off of, but let's see here.
I missed the short on Tesla. Would have been a good one. I know a couple members mentioned they were going short off the open, so good move.
Yeah.
Nvidia's back here testing PDC. Let's see. It's got to get over that. It's really struggling with that with Tuesday's close.
Ooh. Sellers came back in there. When Tesla tried. See if it double bottoms here.
RGTI moving down off the open. GME's recovered here. GME's gonna hit. I don't know. Is it gonna be able to make it to 34? Let's see. What does GME look like? Well, there's orders up there. Looks like it's got a good shot at 34. Come on, GME.
What's this? Our RGTI?
Do it for the meme.
Do it for the meme.
Here we go.
Rigatoni?
33.99. There you go. 34. So GME made it through. Congrats to anybody that grabbed that one long. Didn't stay long at 34. Let's see if we can get back
Tesla.
that price.
Wow, Nvidia just rocking it. I'm long it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm long Nvidia just a little bit, and I'm thinking about Tesla, but it's still got a lot of orders to the downside, and the upside orders have really thinned out. Not ready to step in yet.
Tesla, all red candles since the opening bell
Yeah.
so far. Nvidia getting a pullback.
You know the buyers are going to come in sometime on Tesla.
Of course, yes. But
yes, it's just
might
a
not
matter
even
of
be
when.
today.
Yeah, well, yeah, maybe. Well,
I mean, likely they will at some point here, but I mean, we're only 5 minutes in.
Yeah, we're only 5 minutes in. Let's see where Tesla's going to go. It looks like it wants to go lower. Here we go. It's putting up a fight, but it's heading. There's some big orders there for 56. Shit, I should have stayed short, but anyway. Ooh. Wow, Nvidia just took a big drop there. Back to my break even. Let's see where it does from there. Come on. Okay, Tesla's right at this 456 level, which would be a support area. But again, there's some orders to the downside, so.
GME is back over 34. Looks like it's holding it nicely this time. Anybody?
You got a mouse in the Is there a mouse in the house?
That's the puppy dog bringing me his toy, trying to get me to play with him.
All right, this is long a little bit of Tesla. Let's see where we go.
Yep, getting that first bounce on Tesla here.
There we go. So just I'm going to cover some. I'm just trading with options right now. AMD is breaking out. Some very unlikely moves here on various companies. Let's see here. Okay, let's see if we get, we're going to tap 460 now, maybe on NVIDIA. I'm using the 460 calls right now. Some orders there. Some orders are starting to build to the upside on Tesla, which is a good thing. It means the stock might go there.
Also seeing some orders at 458. It just took out, so.
Getting out of NVIDIA. It's flat on that one. I don't like the way it's trading.
So far, we've got lower volumes on the market overall. I see the SPY sitting
Yeah.
at only 47%, which is very low, and then the Q's at 75% of normal volume. So, yeah, the relative volume is low on most things today. There are some things moving well. Tesla, 150% of its normal volume, so it's
Oh,
trending
that's
well. But
interesting.
all the semis are down. Yeah, the relative volume is pretty much below 70% on almost everything that I'm looking at, except for Tesla.
Hmm. Still hanging on to a few calls. I'm not, didn't like the way it kind of rejected 460, but let's see what we do here. It might be, yeah, might be getting into a trading range here. The Qs are moving up. The SPY's moving up. Yeah, I'm going to get out of the rest of these. It looks like Tesla's going to head back down again.
GME fell hard here. Now it's back at the VWAP, so we'll see what happens to it. Yeah, Nvidia back just
Yeah, it
pierced
just
back
came
through
back down,
previous
did
day
a
close.
double bottom. Yeah. Yeah, just double bottom there. Again, found some support at that 456 level. That's seems to be a area where it's going to find some support right now. See what it does. Resistance. Anyway, it's starting to get choppy. Nvidia, glad I got out of there. AMD breaking out. Nvidia pulling back. I'm glad I got out of Nvidia too. So Nvidia's bouncing. There we go. There's the bounce off the VWAP.
See if Tesla can get through 460 this time.
Yeah.
Push.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. See what
this
it does on this pullback. Yeah, it's pretty volatile actually. Yeah, it rejected right at the 9 EMA on the 2-minute chart, which of course everybody knows. I love that level. Here's a nice bounce. Oh, Rigatoni is going.
Rigetti spaghetti.
Rigatoni.
Rigatoni. I like that one too. All right. Whatever we want to call it. We all know what we're talking about, right?
Yeah,
RTTI.
everybody knows. Yeah, we know.
You're making me hungry.
Yeah, no kidding.
Well, Tesla failed to get through 460 again.
Yeah, but
the markets are
trying to
looking choppy here.
Trying to hold.
QUBT is moving up. Little drop off the open and then
Qubit
moved up. Qubit, yeah. Qubit.
Just nothing. There's so now Nvidia's looking like more like a short now.
Yeah, it's
so lost. It's losing the VWAP.
Yeah, it's chopping in this little tight range here between the previous day close and the VWAP, but it is looking weak here.
Yeah, I'm just
There you
I
go.
just shorted it at 140.05.
I don't know. It's looking. Everything looks a little
You know,
choppy here this morning.
it bounced off the 20 EMA.
Just on that little pullback
Yeah,
a second ago.
I don't. Yeah, I think this actually. Now I'm looking at it. I'm thinking this is a 920. Could be a 920. Could bounce off the 20.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
Not
Tesla's
below the
just a
20 though.
bit of a. Yeah, it is. It is. It is below the VWAP. So let's see what it does here at the 9 EMA. It's going to come up to that. Tesla's looking still pretty choppy. Still trying to decide which direction to go.
There's downside orders here on Nvidia though. It's tough to tell what
Mm-hmm.
Nvidia wants to do.
There you go. There goes Tesla. Tesla is going to take off here. Finally breaking out of a range. Kind of knew that was going to happen. Eventually, buyers were going to step in there.
GME all the way back down to the pre-market price.
Look at that. AMD is killing it.
Yeah, AMD's on the move this morning. I'm with you, hoping that Nvidia is going to drop here.
Wow. Look at that. What a failure on a rejection of, again, of the 9 on Tesla.
Oops.
Still sticking with NVIDIA here. I don't know that it's going to drop that much. AMD. Oh, wow. RGTI is crazy.
Yep. Nvidia should have dropped already, I figure, if it was going to do it.
Yeah, exactly. Well, it kind of did that wick. Still looking a little bit weak. Oh, look at Tesla's back down to that low. Just Tesla could be really stuck in this range here. So
Yeah, come on, Nvidia.
no, it says still hanging in there. Still hanging in just under around 140. Got a lot of orders. Oh, there you go. There's our drop.
All right. I'll take a quick partial here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take. Here we go. Just covering a little bit. Yep, here 139.67.
So where I got my partial.
Oh, okay, cool. Here you go. Same market maker. We're going to come down here. This should be an area. I'm guessing they're going to bounce here a bit because it's kind of where we broke out. But
This is the pre-market area right here. So let's see if we can get through it.
yeah,
Okay. All right.
we're doing it. Here we go.
Taking a little more off here. 39.
Oh, that's very nice.
39,
Very
39.
nice indeed. Try short Tesla. I'm short Tesla again on the. Looks like it's going to break here.
Shorting Tesla. All right.
I'm using 460 puts. Here we go. I'm just going to. I actually just sold. Going to sell some there. 1040. Oh, here we go. Here we go. NVIDIA. Okay, I'm going to cover some more here. 139.20. Yes, sir. That's what we got.
I'm hoping to get to 139 here. Take another partial myself. I want to start extending this out a bit.
Wow. Look at it. What is going on with this rigatoni? It just keeps going up.
Traders are hungry today.
They are. They are. Okay, come on now. Let's give me $11 here on some next level of puts.
Okay, what's up, Peter? Brian.
Hey,
morning.
Paris. Welcome. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
How's your morning going, Paris?
Fantastic.
Okay.
I'm RGTI. I'm long from 11.
Ooh.
Of course.
Oh, are you really? Nice.
Now we know why it's
Nice.
moving. Paris said so.
Rigatoni.
So I am long on RGTI and I'm short on PLTR. I'm short from 82.60. And this can go to, like, I don't know where RGTI can go today.
Here we go. Come on, Tesla. Here's 11. There's $11 right there on those 460 puts. Ooh, beauty. Thank you.
Man, I got so late today to the desk.
So you were making merry last night.
Yeah. So it was a really nice Christmas. Merry Christmas,
Awesome.
everyone.
Holy crap. Here we go. Look at this Tesla. I'm running out of puts.
So I'm sharing my screen, guys. People who want to
out of the rest of them at out of the rest of them at $12.
Which one, Tesla?
Yeah.
Wow, that was a very good shot, Brian. I think you took
it was a rejection. Nice rejection at the 9 EMA on the 2-minute chart.
So PLTR is dropping, guys. So PLTR worked out very nice. I went heavy as well. I went tier 2 size on PLTR. So
We could be going. Wow, we could be going to 450 on Tesla.
PLTR beauty.
Dang. Here we go. PLTR. What's PLTR doing? Wow, PLTR sold off a little bit. Whoa, big drop there.
I literally caught the top of PLTR on
Wow,
this thing.
wow, wow. Nvidia is just getting slammed here. Still have who's short Nvidia? Yeah, got Dushan in the YouTube chat. Looked like you got some nice trades in.
I'm adding more on RGTI, guys. I'm adding more on RGTI. Adding more long on RGTI.
Where's this RGTI going? Is it what other levels have we got here? We don't really have anything, do we? Not really. It's kind of at an all-time high, isn't it?
Yeah, it broke the all-time high for sure. And I think it goes to 14 at least, maybe 15. But PLTR is also pulling back a little bit. I'm thinking of adding what PLTR too. We'll see if it does a deeper pull back to 82. RGTI looks for another break of high of the day. There's a very high level, a higher ask on level 2. We'll see. Maybe it rejects and comes to 1230 or something on RGTI, and then bounce back again. Or it goes from here. Tesla was a very good shot.
Yeah, it worked out quite well. Pretty happy with that.
Oh, very nice, Mike. Mike got a shot from AMD. I am thinking of adding more on RGTI, guys. We'll see if it holds here. Let's see if it holds here. Yeah, it did not.
Finally getting a bounce on NVIDIA. Bit of a bounce here. So I'm pretty much out of NVIDIA. We got down to Tuesday's low there, dropped below it.
I added more on RGTI, guys. We'll see if it holds here. 1270 is trying to hold. We'll see if it drops or holds.
Looks like things are going to try to bounce here now.
So PLTR, I am thinking of adding more on PLTR. I want a little more pop on PLTR. RGTI healthy for 1270. Now it's trying to pop up. Boom, 13, 13, boom, 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 boom. Covering some on PLTR. Sorry, no, RGTI.
RGTI now, nice back up to 13.
I'm also adding short a little more on PLTR. I'm adding short on PLTR. So RGTI is going to break the highs. PLTR, let's see if it breaks the lows.
Okay. Just a long Tesla back along here. This is looking like it wants to go back to the VWAP maybe.
So PLTR is dropping now.
Here it comes. I knew it.
Let's see if
See, I
PLTR
knew
has
it.
a continuation on the downside. Very nice
I
trade.
knew
Man, you're killing it on
Yeah.
Tesla.
Yeah, look at this. Ooh, yeah, baby. So I'm just trading the 460 calls now. And I'm going to sell some here at 1035.
So PLTR did a
Oh, so,
bounce. Let's see.
sorry, like $7.
I'm adding more on RGTI.
Wow.
I'm looking
Yo,
for the break
wow.
of RGTI.
Ooh, here we go.
Boom.
Here we
Boom.
go.
Nice. Let's
Look
swap.
at this. Look at this. Here we go.
Let's swap.
Do, 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 do.
The second I added, it bounced. Popped. Let's break the
I
highs.
gotta watch this RGTI. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this trade on
Nice.
Tesla.
Tesla.
Yeah, baby.
Beauty.
Sell some more. 750.
Come on, break, man. Break. You gotta break. You gotta break. RGTI, you have that juice today. Boom. Break, 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 break of the high of the day.
Yeah, look at it go. It's right at high of day right now. Ooh, look at this. Oh, here we go. Tesla. Come
So
on.
PLTR is coming to my break-even point. Let's see what it does
Okay,
here.
guys. Come on. Who's in Tesla? I even had a chance to get in there on when you're on YouTube on that delayed
I added more on
delayed
PLTR.
feed.
This is gonna be my final ad before I get stopped
Nice.
out at break-even.
Nice.
Let's see if it sells
Bailey
off.
got in early on Tesla. Nice. Yeah, it was. Yeah, I think getting in. You really had to wait for Tesla to eat through these levels here. You can see here on this on Bookmap, you can see where we were. We were weak on the upside in terms of liquidity, but there was lots of downside. So it was just a matter of eating through these levels. We didn't get down to the 450 level. But as soon as it started to break this trend, you could see you can draw a trend line there. As soon as it started to break this trend, here's a higher low. So here's your low, here's your higher low, and then pullbacks, higher low again. This low was higher than this low. It meant the buyers were stepping in and buying it on higher pullbacks, higher price pullbacks. So I'm out of that. I'm out of that trade now because we're at the VWAP. I don't know if we're going to get through here, but this is where I called where I said it was going to go. So I'm pretty happy with that trade.
So PLTR is dropping. RGTI is trying to hold, but there was a selling pressure at the high of the day. So we'll see if it turns out to be a double top. But PLTR working out really nice. Let's see if it goes for the high of the low of the day. What a bounce on SPY. It sells off.
Yeah, I know. Incredible, eh?
Yeah. So I think RGTI has that juice to break the highs, guys. RGTI is trying to break the highs. Hopefully it breaks. Okay, now let's see if it breaks the high. This time it's gonna be a test for RGTI. Yeah, they're still finding some sellers there. Thor, amazing trade. Beautiful.
What did Thor do? Oh, he was trading
He
sound.
shorted SOUN.
Sound.
And what did
Ooh,
Sean Ray do? Sean
what
Ray.
a nice trade there.
Which one is that? What ticker
And
is
did you
this?
get the? Was that R4? My
So PLTR is still doing something. I hope it goes to the low of the day. RGTI is gonna break the highs. Break. See the level 2, guys? See the imbalance right here? Like, see this imbalance on the bids and the ask? The very high chance. Boom! Now it did. Now it did. Covering some. So that imbalance is something which doesn't happen often. Like, that clear imbalance is what is gonna drive the price higher on level 2.
wow, what a drop on AMD. Wow, 3 2-minute candles. Bam, just crazy. Okay, no positions for me right now. It looks like Tesla wants to move up here.
I'm adding more on PLTR, guys. I'm adding more short on PLTR. I have not covered any of my ads yet. So we'll see if it has a chance to go for the low of the day.
Tesla's trading right just above the VWAP. Sort of do or die here if it's going to move up. Wow, AMD so volatile.
PLTR seems like it wants to drop, but it's not dropping.
The weirdest thing going on. I can't. Some of my pivot points aren't showing up on some stocks, some charts, and some they are. So I don't figure out what the hell. It's just weird. Why would
RGTI
that
is
be?
also.
Anybody have any ideas? Oh, change to 3 days? Oh, I see. That's a good point, Gary. Thank you.
RGTI popping to the highs again. PLTR looks weak, but it's not dropping. Eventually it will drop. I think PLTR has a chance to go to the low of the day. 81.20, 81.30. So 1320 is a seller on RGTI. It needs to break. Currently, it might have a little bit of pullback. Now there is the level 2 has turned more bearish than bullish. There is definitely some bigger orders on level 2, but let's see if it drops here or the buyers do not let it drop and then absorb and then go higher. Eventually, I think the 14 is coming. PLTR dropping too. So PLTR looks like it's gonna break the lows. Tesla, very good bounce on Tesla.
Yeah, I got a really nice bounce there. Didn't got in a little late on it, but yeah, Tesla looks like it's struggling to go higher right now.
Yeah, Nvidia is selling off.
Hmm. We're hanging right around the VWAP, just below it.
I'm adding more on RGTI. Just have that feeling that it's gonna pop very quickly. RGTI, I'm adding more. Okay, PLTR is dropping, which is good. My average on RGTI is pretty good as well, so 1235. So RGTI is popping up. Let's see if it has that continuation on the upside.
Yeah, I'm just shorted just a little bit of Tesla. It's losing this level here. Yeah, just a small size. I'm doing a 460 puts.
You're selling the 460 puts.
No, I bought the 460
Oh, you
puts, so
bought the
it's
460.
basic. Yes. So basically, guys, if you're not catching some of the options trades here, I'm day trading options. I'm day trading using options. It's just a different financial vehicle. Can get better gains with a small investment, but you can also get hit with some bigger losses too. So you have to be careful with them. So Tesla's coming back a little bit here. It's maybe coming back to my break even. I'm in at $9 on these puts. Might be coming back up to fill this order here at 460, but it was really having trouble getting through this 460 level before. So
So PLTR is now trying to squeeze me. Let's see if it rejects here again. I'll add more.
okay, I'm out of these puts. See, that's the kind of thing you got to be. You can't stay wrong for too long on a trade in options, especially because you can really lose a lot of money fast. So it's probably a better place. I probably should have gotten short up here because it was clearly struggling to get above this level, and you could see how we were starting to roll over. It's kind of why I thought maybe we were going to get a continuation here, which we still may. Again, it came back up, rejected this area.
Guys, I added more on PLTR. Let's see if it holds or rejects. I think it has that chance of going to the low of the day.
Are you still in rigatoni?
Yeah, I'm still in there. I actually added more even. So it's holding the 13. I think it has a chance to go higher. But let's see. And PLTR also is giving me a hard time. It's showcasing weakness, but it's not selling off very quickly. And usually these pops that you see right now where I added more, these are usually a very good area to add more to the position. And now it's selling off. Let's see if it sells off. But I definitely see weakness on PLTR. Hopefully it drops. If it doesn't, my stop loss is above 82.25. My average, I mean. So RGTI is doing nothing. It's just flat.
Yeah, sound is coming back, I see.
Okay, I think I'll
Wow.
have to take some off
Damn.
now on PLTR. Beautiful. Love you, man. Love you. PLTR. 8170. 8170. Now I think it's gonna, like, hopefully it drops the low of the day. I think now the sellers are trying to hop on.
PLTR?
Yeah, PLTR.
Had a rejection at the View app. It's had a couple of
Yeah,
them actually. Had one back at just after 10. Had another one just a few minutes ago. Rejection right at the View app.
yeah. And if you look at my chart, Brian, I exactly shorted at those rejection areas.
Oh, nice, nice. Beauty. That really was a nice short right at the View app.
Nice,
You
nice
can
PLTR. Love you.
you can set a very tight stop.
RGTI went below 13. Now it's trying to come back up. I'm adding a little more on RGTI. Let's see if it has a squeeze on it. I'm adding more on RGTI. Let's see if it has that squeeze on it. So RGTI is trying to see if it pops up. Nice,
Yeah,
nice,
still going. Yeah, look at
nice,
that.
nice.
Nice one. Ooh, okay, Nvidia is still sinking
Boom,
here.
boom, boom.
Wow.
Anybody take that, guys? This is
That was nice.
beautiful. This is easy.
Yeah, I did not trade that.
So RGTI is, let's see if it holds above this. 1320 was a seller. I want to see it hold above the 1320. It closes
Wow.
above 1320. Yeah, I think it's going to close about 1320. So very good. This PLTR is not doing anything. It should have sold by now.
Yeah, I kind of
Boom.
feel like PLTR is just stuck in a
Yeah,
range
PLTR is
here.
actually stuck. RGTI is doing some stuff. Nice.
Yeah,
1350.
RGTI is crazy.
1350. Now I think it goes to 14. 14 is a very good area. You are very welcome, Taylor. So
Tesla's just literally
1360,
doing nothing. Let's
1360,
just see.
1362, and amazing on RGTI. Man,
Yeah.
I cannot believe I took the trade from 11.
What is this? It's a computing company?
I have no idea. What is that
Tesla's
company?
starting to. Yeah. Tesla's finally maybe rolling over a bit here.
So 1370 on RGTI. Man, this is up already 20%. PLTR dropping too, so which is good. Let's see if now it drops. Selling some on RGTI. PLTR is gonna drop. So PLTR is gonna go to the low of the day. Let's see if it gives us a chance to. They, John says they make quantum spaghetti. That is so funny.
That's funny.
SPY and Qs are exactly same. They are not doing anything. 600 is going to be a tough level to crack for SPY. So until then, PLTR, hopefully it sells off. I'm waiting for the lows of the day. RGTI is actually now holding. Let's see if we get a chance to add more on RGTI. I want to add more on RGTI. The level 2 is very bullish too. See the order book, guys? This is very bullish. I think 14 is coming on RGTI. PLTR is doing nothing.
AMD, wow, AMD is looking really weak.
What is AMD doing?
God.
Yeah, not a big fan of AMD right now. RGTI is doing really good. Let's see if it goes to 14. I'm adding more short on PLTR, guys. I'm adding more short on PLTR. I might regret that. But now my average is 82.18. So I'm adding more short on PLTR. Let's see if it drops. Okay, so RGTI is actually popping up. So very good. 1380.
It's going to 14.
Boom. RGTI.
That's funny.
Yeah, guys, PLTR is gonna stop me out at break even. Let's.
Yeah. Qs are kind of popping up here.
Hey, Sean, this is Carlos. We cannot hear you. They can hear you because they are on vMix, not in the chat room. So the chat room can hear you, but Paris and Brian can't. After 10:30, they'll come off. They'll be able to hear you.
Okay.
Excellent.
Perfect. Thank you, Carlos.
Awesome. I'm all out on PLTR, guys. All out on PLTR. Did not have that continuation on the downside. All out break even on PLTR. I was trying to build a position. It did not work out.
Wow, sound came right back up there. That must have been maybe Thor took that long after he took it short.
So
Yeah, it
PLTR
looks like
squeeze.
our
Yeah, see
no.
this, guys. This is how, all the sellers are gonna be, all the sellers who are the buyers will trap all the sellers who are trying to short, including me. And now it would get to a squeeze level. Like, this is why the stock moves really quick. So when you try to understand the psychology of the buyers and sellers and how they're transacting, that these are the moves that you can actually, and this is what you call as a momentum moves. Because a lot of sellers are going to be trapped, and a new buyers would step in, because this is also a breakout and above the VWAP, and basically leads to a continuation. So you have to get out. Like, when things like this happen, you have to take the stop loss. And my technical stop loss was around this area, and I managed it in that manner that I want to have that stop loss around that area, because that was my technical stop loss too, even though it was a break even point for me. So RGTI is actually now coming up to 14. So 14 is coming. So 14 is 14 beauty. Let's go somehow 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 30.99. I want to see 14. Push to 14.
Yeah, I'm in this for that 14 move as well. It's at 1376.
The
Just
13.99 is the high right now. 13.99. Now it's
yeah,
gonna see
we gonna
13.99.
go through 14.
14,
We're gonna
14. I didn't see a 14. This thing.
no, it didn't print yet. I'm
Yeah,
at
it didn't print 14 yet. But it's gonna break. I think it's gonna break 14. Okay, now. Yes, 14 printed. 14 printed. Let's
there
lift.
we go.
Lift.
Come
Hold
on.
on. It rejected actually from 14.
Yeah.
Now it's gonna try to break 14 again.
Q's and SPY are back at high of day here.
Nvidia bouncing. Tesla is breaking. Now Tesla can break the highs.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tesla actually looks interesting. Tesla is. It's not willing to sell off for sure.
So Tesla's right at PDC right now.
So Joseph, 15, of course, it is possible. But will it come right now? I don't think so. It has to do a deeper pullback. Maybe it comes down to 13. Maybe later in the day, it goes to 15. This
Yeah.
is from 11.2 to 13.1. 13. Yeah, actually 15 is possible. From 13 point, yeah, 15.2. The measured move looks like it's 15 is possible. Even right now, if the buyers are, the measured move looks like it wants to pop to 15, and it's broke out the all-time high as well. So I will add more at some decent pullbacks. I'm trying to. I like building positions, and when things work out, they tend to work out all day. So these ads, I want to see 1320 how it does at 1320, and it might try to trap a lot of people. Goes to 1280, 1270. My average is 1249, which is right here. So I still have a little bit of room for it to build my position. So if I try to add here around the 14 or 1380 area, that messes up my average. So I have to make sure that I'm adding at the right locations or right areas. And that's a skill, that's an art of trading. Like even with PLTR, I got stopped out on PLTR at break even, but I'm very proud of the way that I was building my position. And the way it is, if you look at it, they're literally at the top of the range, and then I got stopped out once the range broke out. You don't know. I was showcasing. I was looking at the weakness. There was weakness around. I was looking for the low of the day, but it never came in. And you gotta respect that, and you have to take a stop out. And once it comes back again lower, then I would maybe think about taking it again. But currently, the price action has changed from bearish to bullish. So I don't want to get in until the price action changes back to bearish, and I would wait for that. So you all like I like building positions in the way that is I can hold it or try to manage my average and always on the winning driver seat. I'm like in even in this case on PLTR, I was always in the driver's seat. My average was always above my entries. And that's how you can trade with more calm and more composure. Because if you
All
slow
right,
down.
guys. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's 10:30.
So we are cutting things off here on YouTube. So thanks for joining us this morning on this let's say call it Boxing Day. Hope everyone had a good
Awesome.
morning, and yeah, we'll catch y'all tomorrow, Friday. Thanks, Paris.
Okay.
Cheers.
Thank you, Brian. Have a great rest of the day, guys. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Always. Thank you, YouTube. See you, everybody in the chat.
Bye.